Be ready. Start. Plastics goods are commonly used by all classes of people in the country as soon as industry can be one of those suitable for the decentralizing manufacturing and even in the less developed and backward areas. This is quite evident from the fact that the existing small scale units are spread over in almost all the states with a varying degree of concentration. The employment potential of the existing small scale units no doubt varies from one state to another according to the number of units and the low processing capacities installed by them. Out of the total employment potential of nearly 50,000 persons as estimated, the units in Maharashtra and West Bengal account for nearly two-thirds of the total, but the less developed states also have small scale units of the industry producing goods of daily use and providing employment to an appreciable number of persons. Para, this industry is bound to increase employment opportunities during the fourth plan period because the availability of raw materials is expected to increase considerably and the demand for consumer articles made of plastics is observed to multiply continuously in the country. Since the important sectors of this industry are already reserved for further expansion in the small scale sector, it is a fairly optimized that a considerable portion of the increased supply of plastic raw materials will be consumed in the all scale sector of this industry in the coming years. Assuming that the consumption of these materials in the small scale sector expands at least proportionately to the increase in the total supply of these materials in the country, the employment potential to be created in the small scale sector of this industry will be quite appreciable. Para, it will, however, be realistic to emphasize here that the existing and prospective small scale units of this industry should not have any difficulty in utilizing their existing capacities and installing fresh ones for meeting the present and the prospective demands for goods made of plastics. Such difficulties may be in the form of shortage and high prices of raw materials. In the case the targets in respect of plastic raw materials are fully achieved and fair distribution of the same is ensured, the other difficulties should automatically be removed. Special attention needs to be paid to this industry in view of its capabilities of decentralized manufacturing even in the backward areas of the country. Stop.